Okay, Gunners, welcome back. Part 2, continuing to work on the motor and trying to install it. So, I got a nice header, and we're about to show it to you. Like the video, like the video, like the video, like the video, keep gunning. Alright, now. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Yep, alright, guys. Alright, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Here we go, trap. $1,600 header.
Yo. If you know, you know.
Yeah, he's the GOAT. Myers is definitely the GOAT. We didn't want to cheap out on this build, so we got a very, very nice header. Fortunately, I got to trade some PPG gears that I had as spares, but look at these runners, man. Just off this header, we're going to pick up 15 horsepower. Just off this header. Look at these runners. We've got a Myers. Oh, my God. Oh, you know what? I've had this for weeks, Trappy, and this is the first time I've seen it.
Yeah.
We've just been so busy in here. I haven't even... So, I hate these peanuts.
Yo, they're everywhere.
Let's see the rest of it. Oh, my God. Look at those runners, bro.
Get the megaphone. It's got a megaphone, right? Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's a megaphone. So, this is a street. Oh, it's perfect, too. We got our flange ready for a 3-inch exhaust. Oh, yeah. This is a big header, Trappy. Yeah, this is a big header, dog.
Big power.
Oh, man. Huge shout out. Again, keeping it in California. Huge shout out to Myers, man. You are an amazing person at your craft, bro. All right, guys, the dreaded 4-to-1 here. All right, where are we going?
I think I'm good on this side.
All right, so this side,
These
we might need a little flathead this way.
I think I'm kind of lined up on this one, right? Oh, Trappy, that's bunny. Yeah, shit ain't never this easy.
Mallet.
It ain't never this
That's
easy.
it. Yo, this is a big header, bro.
Right.
This might be a little too much header.
It might be.
Oh my God. That's a big header.
Big drip.
This is a big header, bro.
Yeah.
This is a big header, man. I'm kind of nervous now. Big Myers.
Big Myers.
I gotta go right there. I ain't gonna hold you. He looks like powder, but right? He look like powder, but
He look like he got hit by
no, the movie Powder. Remember?
Yeah,
he looked like him.
When he got hit by the mom got hit by the lightning, right?
That guy's the GOAT. Ain't nobody building header like this.
Nah.
Jesus Christ. Get our titanium hardware all tightened up. Fresh gasket. Nah, Trap. Just the greatest EK build ever.
Without a doubt.
Ain't nobody messing with this,
Nah,
bro.
without
It
a
ain't
doubt.
even done yet. Ain't messing with this, bro.
Yeah, we don't need super rare JDM plaques.
All set on that.
We don't need the JDM
Nobody
super
messing
rare
with this
visor.
EK.
They're not
Bottom
touching this
line.
car.
Nobody. It ain't gonna happen for a long time. It's gonna take it'll take like three people together to try to do it.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna happen, boss. Wrap it up, guys. Throw the towel in. Gunners won again.
Get the fork. Get the fork.
This one's gonna need a socket, Trap.
Yeah. Oh.
It's good. Good money.
Oh, we gotta throw this in.
In calculations.
It's 320, 327.
Yeah? You second that?
I'm staying 327. Staying where with him. Price is right. That one guy that bets $1 more. Yeah, look at this, guys.
Overseas.
All done. We're about to go in the engine bay. So Myers 4-to-1 with a megaphone. Huge runners. I don't even know the size of these runners, but they're huge, Trappy.
Definitely.
They're huge, Vicky. Mosh them.
I might check my other girls.
Oh my God.
You might need a pair of those.
This is looking beautiful. So all of our motor mounts are loose right now. We put everything loose, basically there. This guy's loose. See that? So we're gonna install this motor, but when we do that, we want to be able to move these motor mounts as we're installing it because we don't want any binding of the axles. So bring the motor down. Going in. So here goes our test run. This is a lean motor mount stand. So we're gonna have to jack up the front. I totally forgot I have a straight one, but it's upstairs. I didn't want to switch it over, so we just got to jack up the front a little bit and we'll be fine. But all of our motor mounts on the chassis are loose. That header's going to hit a little bit too, Trap. It ain't going to be too bad though.
A little bit. You just start slowing down. Slow down. Thing is that the header's already touching, and look, this has to get past that hump. I think if we jack it up, let's just see what it does.
Or we could have installed the header after.
Yeah.
We could just do that to be on the safe side. I don't think we should jack up in the engine bay. We might hit somewhere. Why don't we just back the motor out, take off the header, and then install the header after? It should be easy. It goes right up into that. Wait. All right. Reset. So we're going to install the motor without the header because, again, I messed up. I used a lean stand and it's starting to hit the back and we're not trying to scratch nothing. So we could put the header on in 2 seconds after that.
Let me see, make sure this locks up.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we're good. Morning. Yeah. Oh, much easier without the header. Much easier. And it's a lean stand too.
Yeah,
Once we jack it up, yeah, we'll be fine. You know what? Let's take this off too, Trap. Because we can actually just sit this motor mount on top, slide it in, close. We might have to change these mounts later on too.
Think so?
Yeah, we might have to move them down because remember the clearances with the hood?
Oh yeah.
We might have to do that. So I gotta go up. Okay, so the safest bet is to go like that. Once you jack it up, I'll be able to sit that motor mount on. Should we just set it to the low feature now? We might as well. I think it's going to happen with the hood. Remember the clearance. Might as well set it to the low. So we're going here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sounds good. So we're going to just set the motor mounts to the lower setting, which would be right here on the EKK2s, because I know we're going to run into an issue with the hood and the manifold. So we might as well just do that now, so when we bring the car to spoon, he doesn't have to move the motor again. You ready? A little bit.
Keep going. Alright.
No, wait. You just need more height. You just need more height.
Drop the. Alright, that's good. That's good.
Let me see. Move your hand. You probably need a little bit more height, Trap. So go ahead. No. Go ahead. Start trying to bolt it.
I'd probably tap the lift down just a little bit.
See, now we're putting in this motor and it's going so smooth because we're just taking our time. There's no rush for anything. We haven't scratched anything. I know somebody's going to tear me a new one and say, oh man, I would have taped this, I would have taped that. When you know what you're doing, man, just take your time. We're not even speeding. Okay, so remember, you're going into the bottom setting, so I have to jack up more.
Yeah.
Right? Is that bottom?
No, this is top.
Go here. Here. Ready?
No. Hold on, I have to go to the bottom one. You have to lower.
Oh, I gotta lower it.
Alright, hold on. Stay still. Don't move it.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Good. Right there. Perfect. It's gonna line right up. Okay. So our zinc Downstar hardware is going in now. So it's, you know, the short one's always in the front, and then the 2 longer ones are in the rear. So
Push on the motor towards the back of the car.
So we're gonna tighten up the motor mount there, and then here first, and just so we can probably end up moving the vehicle. Yeah, Trap. That gun's weak. We're gonna tighten everything by hand again, but for now, just tighten these guys up. Nice. Put on the alternator now. So we have our motor sitting exactly the way we want it. It's in a good position. Now we'll tighten the rest of the mount posts, and by hand obviously, but everything else lined up. You see that? These are usually a nightmare to get to, but the way that we did it, it made it a lot easier. And then that guy up there, that is for low setting. So sometimes I know it's backwards. You think since these are at this setting, the back motor mount, I believe, right, Trap? It's the top one that'll be low, yeah. But that's it. We're in. Kobe's motor's in, man. Right now, we're just tightening all the motor mounts by hand. Still gotta do the back two. Well, the back one. This one's all set. He's done. Low setting, because I know we're gonna run into an issue, like I said, with that with the hood. Looking good in here. Good. All that purple. Purple nurple. Purple nurple. Motor mounts are tight. Our bases are tight. Everything is good to go. Trappy, let's see how those cables came out. Beautiful. They're not kinked, nothing. That's a great spot we put it in. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's money. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Big shout out to Tom, Energy Tech.
Big time.
We know you. You love cats. This guy goes. Yeah, goes. Nice. Looking good. Let's put that header on, Trappy. Trappy, slide this header up to you, buddy. This is a big boy.
Big boy.
Oh, my God. Oh, this is a big boy. I don't want to scratch nothing with this big.
Yeah, be
this
careful.
big
Take your
fella.
time. Take your time. We ain't
Big fella. It's a big fella. All right, Trappy, it's yours from there. Oh yeah. Oh, you got to see the fitment down here.
That's that quality.
Man, I can get the lower one for you right here. Pause. Oh, this fitment is amazing, man. Jack Myers.
Powder. Young
What a
powder.
stud. What a stud that gentleman is. What a stud. Now I know why his header's so expensive.
Yeah, that fit.
I can get the other one.
Yeah.
Yo, you know how much I love Kobe? I rejected a haircut today.
Nah.
Ray was gonna come and give me a haircut. I said, sorry, man, vlogging.
Oh. Nah, that's love.
That's love. That's how you know I love this car. All right, that's good. Wow, this clearance down here, Trap, incredible.
Nah, let's
Incredible.
see that.
Let's tighten it up. Yeah, bring it up, Trap. Oh my God, that hair looks beautiful. I'll show you the clearances on the bottom, Trap.
Fine.
It's beautiful. It ain't this.
The axle fits
Look
right
at that
through
center
to the
line,
diff.
boys. Look at that center line. Just
No,
listen
no.
to your boys, man. We got you, man. Look at that center line, boys. We got you, man. Woo.
That's fine.
That's nice. Look at the clearances.
That's beautiful.
Wow, look at that clearance, man.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful header. I'm in love with a stripper. His name is Myers. That on Choppy Bucket. Yep, that's gonna be our exhaust V-band. Wanna run Covey open header? Just to unbolt it. Just unbolt that, you be alright. Yeah, you're probably gonna need a wrench. Wow. Look at that. In good shape. So we went ahead and test fit the axle just to make sure, because sometimes they get tricky with the way that the motor mounts are positioned, and it is absolutely perfect. Look how free it spins. Money. No binding, everything lined up. Good to go. Okay, Gunners, we are wrapping up this video. I want to give a huge shout out to all the companies that helped me get to this point. Vane Engine Stands, Downstar, Tri-State Motorsports, Skunk 2, Action Clutch, K-Tuned, Hassport, everyone that's involved, any one of these parts that are on these cars, even if I didn't get it for free or a discount, I didn't mind, man. It's quality parts that I'm using. Huge shout out to Tri-State Motorsports, man. They came through clutch with everything that I needed, and that's about it. I'm going to wrap up this video today. We've done a lot. This is part 2 of yesterday's, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow with some more updates, and we're just going to keep grinding, man. We're going to keep just keep educating you guys on how to work the right way, but there it is. Kobe's Motors in. Like, comment, subscribe.